Hello, my friends! Remembering the difference between present simple and past simple. Shall I explain it to you? Look here. The past simple tense is the verb tense we use to talk generally about past events or habits. And the present simple tense is for current events or habits. Let me give you an example. I am very happy because I am with my friends. That would be the present. But sometimes we can have words like today that help us and are like clues. If you see them, pay attention, although there are some exceptions that might be misleading. This sentence in the past would be, I was very happy because I was with my friends. Awesome! Have you seen how the verbs have transformed into the past? Let's look into another sentence. I build a snowman every weekend. This refers to a routine or an action that is currently happening very frequently. Okay, let's see how it would be in the past. Bill changes and becomes build. And every becomes last. This one is a little bit more difficult. Can you see what happened? Build is an irregular verb, so we can't simply add the suffix ed here. We have to remember it's spelled in a special way. And of course, if it's in the past, we can't say every weekend to support the context. Better to say every weekend last winter, for example. Okay? Now I'm going to give you some verbs and some time to place them properly. Where do you think they belong? Here they are. Okay, are, where, talk, talked, sing, sang, walk and walked. Okay, come on guys. Can you see that? I give you 20 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Okay, are you ready? Yes? It's my turn. You are beautiful, present, and you were beautiful, past. I sing a song every day, and I sang a song last weekend. Be careful in here, because again, it's irregular. We can't just add the suffix ed. We need to remember it's a special verb, okay? Let's go. I walk to school every Monday, and I walked to school every Monday last year. Okay, super fast. And I talk to my friend after school. Yes, kind of something that we do very regularly. And I talked to my friend yesterday. Great! Now, is everything clear?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
All right, people, so this is the final worksheet and the final activity of this winter booklet. And here we need to answer, let's just read this sentence, the instruction. Put the correct tense for the examples. Oh, okay, yesterday I went to school. That is past. That is for sure past simple. And today I go to school is present simple. Great, well done. So, present is for current events or habits, and the past is to talk generally about past events or habits, okay? So, activity number 16. choose the correct verb for each column. And we have present and past sentences. And here we have the verbs that we just need to place, okay? So let's start. Let's go for the present. And I just feel like painting a bit. Present. Present. Great. Let's go. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Well done. Present. You are beautiful, for sure. You are beautiful. That is what we need to put in here. So you are beautiful. I sing a song every day. That is, yes. I sing a song every day. That is a present fact or a present habit. I go to school every Monday. I walk, because go is not here, so should be walk. I walk to school by feet every Monday. And I talk to my friend after school. I talk, like maybe I meet him and we spend time talking, okay? I talk to my friend. And what about the past? Let's go and see how these sentences would look if we change them into a past simple form, okay? Let me just paint a little bit these letters, these cute letters. That way the worksheet looks beautiful. So not you are beautiful, because if we're talking about something that happened in the past, you were beautiful, maybe on the party, maybe on that event. You were beautiful the other day. I sang a song. I sang, not sing, but sang. I sang a song last weekend. I walked to school every Monday last year. Can you see? I walked to school every Monday last year. And I talked, T-A-L-K-E-D, I talked to my friend yesterday. Yes, good job. Remember the difference with regular and irregular verbs and how to transform them and build their past simple verbs by thinking about the suffix ed, okay? Good luck, guys. Let's keep learning.